It's a little bit different video this week. We're down in Aiken, South Carolina, visiting my buddy Jeff down at Autorestomod. This is Jeff's first open house for his channel and to introduce everybody to his new studio. So we came down, as some of you may know or may remember, that Jeff has my 70 Camaro, and he's been featuring it on his channel as well. So we came down to help Jeff get this thing all set up, and we're going to show you some highlights of the day. We got a morning flight out of New Hampshire with temps in the 40s and landed in Charleston, South Carolina 2 flights later, where things had warmed up into the lower 80s. What a difference a day makes. We told Jeff we'd come down a day early and help him and Deona set things up. And then the next day, it was showtime. Jeff started out by giving a tour of his new facilities, which included his Studio A, or the Dirty Shop, and then Studio B, which is the film studio itself. We'll let Jeff tell some of that story here.
The front wall was not there, the garage door was not there. This was just gravel and 3 walls and a roof, and that was it. Don't watch your step when you're coming in. We have 12-foot ceilings at the eaves. I believe it's 15 foot at the peak. Don't quote me on that. And everything you see in here is just basically ideas I had for putting it up. That is our green screen wall, and what that is we can take picture, like if I put you on the green screen wall and we take your picture, I can put you anywhere I want you to be. You can be in Paris, you can be in the foothills of the Mount Doom in Lord of the Rings, you can be standing up. We're also wanting to open it up even further so someone that has a need for studio space to shoot something can come in here and work.
At the end of the event, we finished with a catered meal where we used the 4-post car lift for a table. How cool was that? Before we finish the video, let's go back and show highlights from the car show. Now this car. I have to stop and tell you about this car and our new friends Steven and Claudia Holtz. Steven is a new YouTuber who likes to make old cars run. This is a 1965 Ford Fairlane Sports Coupe, and Steven and his family drove from their home in New Braunfels, Texas, all the way to Aiken, South Carolina in this classic, that only a few short months before still needed plenty of work to be roadworthy. They ran into a few issues along the way, roadkill style, but made it to the Autorestomod show and then back home again 4 days later. I'll put a link to Steven's channel in the description. And Steven, if you're watching this, make a comment and tell some of your story. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. Make comments below. Ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.